Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to add a burst of flavors to your kitchen with a classic recipe, homemade salsa. It's fresh, it's vibrant and it's the perfect companion for your favorite snacks. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this delicious journey. Let's dive right in. Start by roasting the tomato, the juicier the better, and let it cool. Once it cools down, grind it and set it aside. In a mixing bowl, add finely chopped garlic, chili, tomato, onion and give it a good mix. Then season it with some salt and chili powder. Squeeze the juice of 1 or 2 limes for the tangy flavor. Adjust according to your taste. Give everything a good mix and then add in the roast tomato puree, soya sauce, sugar and give everything a good mix. Make sure all the flavors melt together. And there you have it, a salsa that's not only easy to make but also a taste sensation. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty adventures and let us know in the comments what twist you will add to your salsa. Until next time, keep salsa dancing in the kitchen and happy munching.